Hi everyone, welcome to Nigeria. This is Olasho, and in today's video we'll be talking about the JAMB result upgrade, whether it is real or it is fake. So the JAMB results for 2024, the JAMB UTME results for 2024 has just been released, and many students have been able to check their results to know their fate. So if you are yet to check your results, you can check other videos on my channel, which is my last video, and I will also put the link to that particular video in the description of this particular video. So check the link for the video on how to check your JAMB results yourself using your smartphone, using your phone. So back to today's discussion. So let's talk about this JAMB results upgrade of the thing, whether it is real and how you can do it. Then if it is fake, what can you do about it? So one thing you need to know is that this JAMB results upgrade used to occur whenever students who have scores that are quite too low, probably students that have like 150, less than 200, or even students that have like 200 and they need results like 250, 300 or 300 plus. So the reason is just because they want to make sure they have good results that they can use to process and gain admission. Like we all know, if you want to study good courses like law, medicine and surgery and every other beautiful courses like that, if you score like 300 plus, you will have a very high chance of getting admission. So the main purpose of this JAMB result upgrade that many students are always looking for, those students that scored that have low score in their JAMB, the main reason is just they want to get admission to study their preferred course. All right, so let's talk about it. So the main thing you need to know about this JAMB result upgrade of the thing is that the JAMB result upgrade is a fake. Okay, so before we proceed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button so that you can also see many videos like this, and please click on the notification bell, turn on the notification so that you can get more updates from me. Okay, so the truth about JAMB result upgrade is that many candidates have been searching online for information on how to upgrade their UTME results. Okay, and the question we should be asking ourselves is that, is this upgrade, is it for real? Okay, because many of these, we have many individuals online that claim to be JAMB officials and are promising candidates that they will help them upgrade their results, their UTME results from low score to their preferred score. They will promise you they will upgrade it from 200 to 300 or even like 350 with a particular amount, right? So they will even go far as showing you different screenshots of results that they claim that they have actually upgraded in the past. Okay, and I need you to know that these pictures that they are showing you, the fact is those pictures are not real. All right, those pictures are edited pictures of candidates that probably they got online, or even result of some students that they will manipulate themselves. All right, so the truth is that these people are just nothing but they are desperate and they are fraudsters. Okay, these guys, they are fraudsters. There's nothing that has to do, like there's nothing like JAMB result upgrade. Okay, so and many of them, they'll be sending you message on Facebook, on WhatsApp. You see them in different comment sections on Facebook. I'll show you some of these guys more. Okay, so I'll show you to you live on Facebook. Okay, so these guys, they will make use of softwares like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and every other, and even some phone applications to edit a result or just present one result for you and tell you the result has been upgraded, which is actually fake. Okay, so if you try, and even after then, if you try to check your results on the JAMB portal, on the main JAMB facility portal, your original result is what you will see. That is the fact. Okay, so but what these guys will actually do for you is that they will just send you a fake screenshot that they designed themselves and tell you that you should go and print it. Okay, so that is what most of these guys used to do. They will even do a kind of fake SMS and send it to you that you feel like the message is actually from JAMB, that will make you think your upgrade is successful, which is actually fake. Okay, so these guys use different method to convince students, to actually let them know that result upgrade is real. So if you actually pay these guys, I'm sorry, your money is going to waste. That's a fact, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can't arrest them, because most of these guys, they don't have offices. Because even those people that claim to do JAMB result upgrade, you only see them on social media. In fact, some of them might even upload. They might be using pictures of the likes of the Isaac Oloyede, which is the JAMB registrar professor Isaac Oloyede. They'll be using his picture as their profile picture on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and every other places like that. Okay, and the question you should ask yourself is that, have you ever seen any place like JAMB office or a JAMB CBT center, an approved CBT center, that will tell you that you should come and upgrade your results? Which is actually, you won't see any one of them telling you to come and upgrade your results. This is how you will know that this result upgrade of a thing is fake. Moreover, these guys that are telling you should come and upgrade your results, some of them will even be telling you they are working at JAMB office, that you should come and see them. But if you go, you can't meet them there. They'll be giving you different excuses. Let me show you some of these messages they used to post on Facebook. So if you go to Facebook and search for something like JAMB Result Upgrade, you'll see many of those stuff like this. Look at this one now. This one is saying JAMB Result Upgrade has started, something like that. Then you should come and you should call or message one professor like that. That should come and check your results. So all these messages that you're seeing, all of them, they are actually fake. All of these, or every message like that. So this particular one is actually from my own profile, where I said JAMB Result Upgrade. This is where I post about it, that the JAMB Result Upgrade is actually fake and it is a scam. Okay, you don't have to fall for it. So let's look. So if you check group chat of most of these especially if you're on Facebook and you check the comment section of most of these group chats, you will be seeing them posting stuff like this, just like this, just like this. Those guys, they are actually scammers, and there's nothing they can do for you. And the fact is that you can't even see them online, like you can't see them physically. And if you pay them online, there's no how you can, there's no how you can contact them, and there's no how you can even arrest them. I will even tell the police that you upgraded your results. What do you want to tell them? So, and if something actually happened last year, that one particular lady actually called out JAMB online that our results has changed, which is actually fake. Okay, so this is the news by some popular, some reputable news agencies. Netizens uncover app used to create fake results. So most of these guys, they also use fake applications to design these UTME results, to design fake results and upload it. Okay, so we have many news that talks about all these things. So the main point is that JAMB Result Upgrade is actually fake, and there is nothing like that. Okay, the upgrade is fake. There's nothing you can do about it. So if your JAMB score is low, what are you going to do about it? So if your JAMB score is actually low, the only option you have is probably find a university that's you might want to change your course. If probably you want to study like law and you score like 200, you might want to change your course to any other course you want that can accept your low score. Okay, then you might probably want to change from university to polytechnic or to college of education. Okay, so and each of these schools, they have their own JAMB score, their own preferred cutoff mark, apart from the cutoff mark that JAMB will actually announce later on. Okay, so please and please don't fall into the hand of these scammers. Okay, there's nothing like JAMB Result Upgrade. It is fake. Okay, it is fake. It is a scam. Okay, so no matter how they promise to do these things for you, some of them will even call parents. Some of them will text you, they will text you messages via the number you used to register for your JAMB registration. So all these things are being done by scammers. Okay, please and please don't fall into their hands. So for further updates on how you can make use of your JAMB results, to gain admission, or if you need mentorship on how you can gain admission, make sure you reach out to me on my WhatsApp number there, 081 24 I'll also drop my phone number in the description and also in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Please and please make sure you share this video to every other candidate that did JAMB and is probably looking for how they can upgrade their results, especially those ones with low JAMB score. Those are the kind of people that these guys will be targeting. Okay, so please make sure you click on the subscribe button if you have not done so, and click on the bell notification to always get click on the bell icon to always get notification whenever I drop new videos like this. And also reach out to me on my WhatsApp so that I can add you to my WhatsApp group for further admission updates. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.